Ayun, what's up sa inyo mga kagarbats? So, today is September 13, 2025 and I have some good news and bad news, guys. Good news po is good news po, magwa 100 subscribers na tayo. Pero bad news is nagka-problema yung laptop na pinag-e-editan ko and hindi pa sure kung upload ko na to agad immediately. So, hindi ko pa sure kung ma-upload. Di talaga ako makakapag-upload for a while. Maybe like 6-7 months. Maybe like guys, 1 month ganun. Maximum daw kasi guys is 30 days. And even worse news, hindi ko alam kung makikip yung files na nasa laptop. Hindi ko pa naman na-backup. Ang vlog na nasa laptop ko na hindi ko na-backup is this vlog SMC. Ito, sleepover. And birthday ata ni Christian, hindi ko na-backup. Check ko hindi ko ma-check eh. Tapos, guys, that's about it. And siguro by the time na makapag-upload na tayo, makapag-upload na kami, hindi na 100 subscribers na tayo, so hindi ko na ma-upload on time yung upload ko dapat ng 100 subscriber. Pero yun lang guys, yun lang mga gusto kong sabihin. Ito, Eman, lagyan mo yung link ng intro. Okay, go.